In this lesson, we're going to create and set up our Photoshop file for our design. Now, our particular design that we're going to be working with in this course is going to be 1000 pixels wide. But I want to also put about 100 pixels of margin on each side so that we can see what it's going to look like in a browser that's larger than the design itself. So we're going to start by creating a new file in Photoshop, and we're going to make that file 1200 pixels wide, again to allow for 100 pixels of margin on the left and the right. For the height, I'm just going to set it to 1000 for now, and we might change that depending on how much content we end up placing in the design, and we'll just click on OK. When our file first opens, we can see that it is zoomed out a little bit to 66.7. I'm going to hit Command 1 just to zoom in all the way, and then I want to place some guides. So again, it's 1200 pixels wide. We want the actual design to be only 1000 pixels wide, and then we're going to have 100 pixels of margin on the left and right. So I'm going to go to the View menu. I'm going to create a new guide, and it's going to be a vertical guide, and I'm going to put its position at 100. And then we'll create another guide and put it at a position of 1100, which is 100 pixels from the right edge of the screen. There we go. And then I want another guide just right in the middle of the screen because we have a couple of items that we're going to need to center. So I'm just going to grab the left ruler here. And if you don't see your rulers, you can hit Command R on a Mac or Control R on a PC to turn on your rulers. And then click on the left ruler and drag out. And once you get towards the center of the page, it should snap to the center position, which is 600 pixels. And once it snaps into place, we can release. Also, just to assist in snapping things into place, I'm going to drag a guide out that snaps to the left side of the stage, drag another one out that snaps to the right side of the stage, and then drag in one from the top, like so. And that will help us as we're drawing our shapes for our header and things like that. It'll help us to snap them to the edges of our content area. And now that we've got our file set up as we want it to look for the early stages of our design, let's go ahead and save our file. I'm going to hit Command-Shift-S to save as, and in the Project Files folder, I'm going to save this as flatdesign01.psd. So we'll get started with that file in the next video. Thank you for watching.